Today, Mathematics Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determination. Question number 1, exercise number 1.5, question number 1. Solve the following system of linear equation by Gaussian elimination method. First question. The matrix form of the above equation, you take it and write Ax equal to B. Then argument matrix A comma B. Change the row 1 to row 2. Next row 2 minus 2 row 1, row 3 minus 3 row 1. Row 3, 6 row 3 minus 7 row 2. The above matrix in the echelon form. Then now write the equivalent equation. Write it in Ax plus B. After that, you take it and write the first equation, second equation, third equation in the matrix form. Third equation, you find out the z value 4. Next, substitute z value in the second equation. We get minus 6y plus 20 equal to minus 4. Then the y value is 4. Substituting z and y in first equation. X plus 8 minus 4 equal to 3. Then you solve. You get the x value is minus 1. So x value minus 1, y value 4, z value equal to 4. Divide the first equation by 2, we get this equation. Then you write it in matrix form, Ax equal to B. Then argument matrix A comma B. After that you eliminate R2 minus 3 R1, R3 equal to R3 plus R1. Then R2 divided by 2. Then R3 minus 3 R2. The above matrix is in echelon form. Now writing the equivalent equation, Ax equal to B. Then write first equation, second equation, third equation. Using this third equation, you find out the z value equal to 2. Then substitute z value in second equation. Then you get y value equal to 1. Then substitute z equal to 2, y equal to 1 in the first equation. Value is x plus 8 equal to 11. You simplify this, x value is 3. X value 3, y value 1, z value 2. Second question, if ax square plus bx plus c is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5 and x minus 1, the remainder are 21, 61 and 9 respectively. Find a, b and c using Gaussian elimination method. Solution. P of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. When p of x is divided by x plus 3, x minus 5 and x minus 1. The remainders are respectively p of minus 3, p of 5 and p of 1. We are giving that p of minus 3 equal to 21, p of 5 equal to 61, p of 1 equal to 9. Now p of minus 3 equal to 21. Then you substitute. You get the first equation. 9a minus 3b plus c equal to 21. After that p of 5 equal to 61. Then you substitute in equation. You get the second equation. Same way p of 1 equal to 9. Then you substitute, you get the third equation. After that you write it in matrix form. You get the argument matrix A comma, right, like this. After that you simplify this using Gaussian method. R1 interchange R3, then R2 minus 25 R1, R3 minus 9 R1, then row 3 minus row 3, you get the row 3 to 5 row 3 plus 3 row 2. After that write it in the epsilon form in the equivalent equation form. 3 equation you get, third equation you simplify, you get the C value is 6. Substitute in second equation. You substitute in the second equation, you get the B value is 1. Then you substitute C value and B value in first equation. You get this A value is 2, B value 1, C value 6. Third question. An amount of rupees 65,000 is invested in 3 bonds at the rate of 6%, 8% and 10% per annum respectively. The total annual income is rupees 5,000. The income from the third bond is rupees 800, more than that from the second bond. Determine the price of each bond. Use Gaussian elimination method. Solution. Amount invested in 6% bond B rupees X and amount invested in 8% bond B rupees Y. Invested in 10% bond B rupees Z. Now first equation you write and divide by 100, you get the equation 6x plus 8y plus 10z equal to 5 lakhs. Then you divided by 2, you get the second equation. Third equation you divided by 2, you get the third equation. After that you write it in the matrix form. AX argument matrix, row 1 to row 1, row 2 equal to row 2 minus 3 row 1, row 3 row 3. Then row 3 plus 4 row 2. In the above matrix from epsilon form, write it in the equivalent equation. You get 3 equation. Last equation, third equation you simplify, Z value is 20,000. Then substitute Z value in 2. Second equation, you get the Y value is 15,000. Then Z value, Y value substitute in first equation. We get the amount is rupees, X value is rupees 30,000. So that the amount invested in 6%, 30,000, 8%, 50,000, 10%, 20,000. A boy is fourth question. A boy is walking along the path y equal to ax square plus bx plus c through the point minus 6, 8, minus 2, minus 12 and 3, 8. He wants to meet his friend at P 7, 16. Will he meet his friend using Gaussian elimination method? Solution. You write the equation. After that points on the path. You substitute minus 6, 8 in the point on y. You simplify this, you get the first equation. Then second point minus 2, minus 12. You substitute in this equation, you get the second equation. Third, 3, 8 in a point on y equations. You substitute, you get the third equation. Write it in the epsilon matrix form. After that argument matrix, you simplify this. R2, 9 R2 minus R1, row 3, 4 row 3 minus row 1. Then row 3, 2 row 3 plus 3 row 2. Then write it in the epsilon form. in the equivalent equation we get this. After that you write first equation, second equation, third equation you simplify, then substitute C value in second equation, you get B value is, then C value, B value substitute in first equation, you get the A value is 1. Then A value 1, B value 3 and C value minus 10. You substitute in the equation, you get equation x square plus 3x minus 10. Now x equal to 7, y equal to, you substitute means you get the answer 60. So that 7, 60 is the point on the path. So he will meet his friend. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.